Hello guys, Osmojic here, and today I will be talking about 10 features for OneNote, one of the two best note-taking apps out there. Others is Evernote, of course. And when it comes to features and extensive note-taking, OneNote definitely takes the edge. I have been using OneNote for quite some time because the notes are editable, and of course they are available everywhere and you never lose your notes. So let's get right into it. The first feature and the most important I would like to talk is choosing the right OneNote. Actually, there are two OneNote available. One that is the stock of shipped with Windows 10 OneNote only, and the other is OneNote 2016, which is a part of Office 2016, but it is also available for free separately. So I will be comparing both side by side to see which OneNote is useful for what. So the one with the bigger logo, that is the OneNote that is shipped with Windows 10, and the smaller one is OneNote 2016. So let's compare the home tabs of both. As you can see, the home tab of OneNote is a trimmed version of OneNote 2016. OneNote 2016 has all the features of you are used to of Office 2016, and it also has supports all the keyboard shortcuts of Office 2016, which I will be talking about later in this video and are very useful. There are all these page templates and other features which are not available in OneNote app, so it's a good idea to use OneNote 2016. I will be putting the link in the description to download OneNote 2016. So I am gonna close OneNote and focus on OneNote 2016, and I will start by creating a notebook, and I will explain the features as we go on. So there are two ways to create a notebook. You can create a notebook locally, but for that you need to have an Office 365 subscription, as you can see, or you can create a notebook on OneDrive, which is I think more convenient and better, as you can access your notes from anywhere. So let's create a notebook and name it La La La. There are three levels of in the notebook. First is notebook, then within the notebook there are sections, and within the section there are pages. I have named the section La 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 some more, and let's then change the color to yellow, and let's delete the untitled page that was created, because we will be creating our own page using the page templates under the insert tab, which is available with OneNote. There is a wide variety of templates available with OneNote. Academic templates for lecture notes and such might not be very useful, but there are templates like blank templates according to page size, which you might need for specific purposes like A4, A3, letter, or postcard. Here is the example of the postcard size template. Then there are these business templates you can use for project overview and meeting notes and such. Now let's get into the features we will be frequently using while taking notes with OneNote. Let's close the templates and delete all the unnecessary pages we don't need, and let's name the first page. This is the feature in OneNote that you can start typing anywhere. Just click and it creates a box there, and you can type in it. You can create multiple boxes on the same page, so that's yet another layer. Notebook, section, page, and then page, boxes. And let's write a quote from Godfather, and to put bullets in, you can use a very handy shortcut, Control plus period, and to put numeric in, you can use the shortcut Control plus forward slash, which Both these shortcuts come in very handy because in note taking there is a lot of use of bullets and numerics for taking points and making points and such. So I'm gonna fast forward this typing and get to the next feature. The next feature is control plus numeric keys. Control plus 1 brings out a checkbox. Control plus 2 is star. Control plus 3 question mark. 4 highlights in yellow, 5 in green, and so on. 6 brings a pen. 7 a contact, and 8 and home. You can move the boxes on the page around freely. Now let's create another box for the quotes from The Art of War. I'm gonna fast forward this again. So now let's talk about a very useful feature of OneNote, that is snipping a part of a screen or an image from anywhere using the shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S. This shortcut is for OneNote, but if the OneNote is running in system tray or in the background, it works for any application. You can just press Windows plus Shift plus S and snip an image, and it will be in your clipboard and you can paste it anywhere. Okay, now I'm making some more changes to the note before we move to the next feature. Okay, so now next feature is searching. There are two searches available. One is Control E and one is Control F. Control E searches in all the notes and notebooks you have available, and Control F searches within the page. And also there is one additional feature in OneNote, that it can also search for text in images, which we will see in a moment. And let's go full screen, which is another useful feature of OneNote which helps you utilize the screen fully. So now let's look at the text in image search feature of OneNote. On the top right corner there is a search box. And I'm gonna search for art. So the text in the image should be highlighted. There you go. And it has also searched art anywhere. It has found in all the notes I have. Now I'm using Control F. So there are only 2 matches on this page for the word art. So now let's look at yet another useful feature of OneNote. Under the review tab there is password protection. So you can protect your notes with password. It's simple as that, there is nothing to explain. Now when you try to access this document, you have to enter the password. Okay, now let's remove the password and move on to the next feature, which is the page version which OneNote keeps for your pages. One version for each day that you have edited that page. As the page which we were using, I have created today, there are no versions available. But as you can see, for this page financial system, there are many versions available. Also, OneNote has a recycle bin where it keeps all the pages or sections or notebooks you have deleted, so you don't need not to worry about any data loss at all. So now let's open the other OneNote which we have set aside to see that our notes have successfully synced or not. Here we go. So the sync is seamless across the mobile, and the OneNote app is available across the devices and platforms on iOS, Mac, everywhere. Guys, thank you for watching. This is it for this video. I hope these features will be useful for note taking. Please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if you have any other favorite note app like Google Keep. Thank you.